आज आम्ही काहीतरी मस्त बनवतोय दिवाळीसाठी आणि मी आधी सांगितलं की शक्कर आपली दुश्मन आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही हे काजूचे आणि खजुराचे लाडू बनवतोय. त्याच्यात काही प्रोसेस नाही आहे, काही साखर नाही आहे. तर आता थोडंसं वेळ बघा आणि तुम्ही सांगा नंतर की किती छान आहे. Hey guys, Dr.Nene here. I practice as a cardiothoracic, vascular, and general surgeon, and I'm now a health tech innovator who wants to improve lifespans and lifestyles. So stay healthy, stay curious, and keep watching. तर तुम्ही आले ते बरं झालं. आज आमचं रेसिपी खूप छान आहे आणि खजुराचे लाडू बनवतोय. फक्त 6 इन्ग्रेडियंट्स आहेत त्याच्यात आणि काही साखर नाही घालायची. तर 1 कप खजूर घ्यायचे आणि मी चांगले मऊवाले न बी घालून वापरतो. अर्धा कप काजू वापरतो. 2 चमचे किशमिश वापरायचे. अर्धा कप बदाम वापरायचे. सुकलेलं खोबरं घेऊन थोडंसं खिसायचं. मग थोडंसं घी 1-2 चमचे आणि मग हे थोडंसं खसखस. ठीक आहे, चला करूया. So the first step is to heat your pan on low heat, and in this case I'm using just a regular non-stick pan. To that I add a teaspoon of ghee, and you can see the pan's already hot. Then I'm going to take a half cup of cashews and a half cup of almonds. हे खजूर घेऊन रफ चॉप करायचे ग्राइंडरमध्ये. ते आणि हे सगळे dried fruits घ्यायचे, एकत्र घालायचे. And I'm just coating them in the ghee. And the idea is to just get them nicely softened and soaked, because what you're going to do is then grind them into a nice kind of rough mix, as you'll see in a second. So now these are lightly toasted and not so lightly toasted, and you're going to take them, put them into this grinder. So we're going to put them in the grinder like this. So now I've roughly ground these dates, and it's come out like this as a soft puree. I've roughly chopped these raisins, and then I've got the nuts which were roasted previously, and they're coming out of the grinder like this. So the next thing is we're going to add all of these together in our mixing bowl. And so you kind of bring these together. तर हे सगळं एकत्र करायचं आणि थोडंसं खोबरं घालायचं त्याच्यात. This is the khuskhus or poppy seed. And then you have all the ingredients. Now, make sure you have clean hands, but the key is your hands, it's going to stick to your hands. And so just be prepared to mix it well. So as you can see, they're very well mixed, and I brought them together. It takes hardly 5 minutes. Now one of the pro tips is if you put a little ghee on your hands, the stuff does not stick. And so I put a little ghee on both sides. I'm going to create balls, basically, ladoos. And these can be as big as small as you want. A healthy Indian Diwali. Didn't think it was possible, did you, with sweets? But look at these. They're the best. And so you try them, you tell me how they are. I'm going to send some care packages out, and let's see what they think. What do you think? Leave the comments in the box below, and make sure you hit the like button, slam that one, slam the subscribe, and slam the bell icon so you'll know about the next episodes. And don't forget to share it with all your friends, because this is one of those that will define you, and once you get into these habits, you'll love it. Wow, they're really good. I have to go now. I'm going to have something to do.